Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install horror mods in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, open a mod launcher and search for Cave Horror Project. Make sure the game version matches your Minecraft version like 1.20.1. Then, click install. The mod pack will download and appear in your mod list. Once downloaded, you can launch Minecraft using the mod pack. You can play single player or set up a multiplayer server. For a free server, you can use Eternos, or for more features, paid servers like Apex hosting work too. Make sure your server uses the same mod loader such as Forge and the correct Minecraft version. Next, open CourseForge to check your mods. If you want to add more, search for the mods and click install. On your server, make sure the mods are installed, then copy the server IP, add it in Minecraft, and connect. Now you and your friends can enjoy the Cave Horror Project with all the horror features working perfectly. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.